first problem that we're going to practice. It says, write an addition sentence. Change the order of the addends. So these are the addends. The sum is still the same. So right here it says 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then all they did was flip-flop it. And they said, this time, 3. Say the equation.
3 plus 5 equals
8. So, did we still have 8? Did we still have 8, boys and girls? Yes. All they did was flip-flop it. So, I want to show you what I mean by. So, I have, let's say for this one, I have 5 of the red. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, how many black? Is there on me, please? 3. 1, 2, 3. So here, I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3 equals
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now all they're doing is this, boys and girls, watch. Flip flop. So instead of it being 5 plus 3, oh, I can't, my friends at home can't see it. So instead of it being 5 plus 3, they just went 3 plus 5. Do you see that? I want to zoom in so my friends at home can see how that worked. All we did was change the order of the numbers that we were adding. So, first we had 5 plus 3. And then over here, all they did was go, and they just flip-flopped it. 3 plus 5. So you can tell me the flip-flop of this, okay? Ready? Watch me. 2 plus 3. Who knows the answer? Friends at home, Kieran.
Came to me.
Yep.
2 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Now watch what I do, boys and girls. I want to show you how this flip-flop works. Right. Watch this. Now my equation is 3 plus 2.
And it's still 5.
Still 5. Do you guys see that? So my answer's not changing. I'm just flipping them around. So if I go here, Kaya, do you have a question? Yes. Oh, thank you. Yep, you're right. All right, so I'm going to get my pencil. Oh, it says to use our cubes to add and write the sum. So I have 1 cube over here, so we see a number 1 plus 5 of the dark ones. Who can tell me the answer or the sum of 1 plus 5? Alakai, 1 plus 5.
1 plus 5?
Yep.
So 6.
6. Do you guys agree that it is 6? Did you also get 6? Show me with your thumb. Yes. So we're going to write a 6. Now, remember how I took my hands, boys and girls? And I had my 2 numbers and I just went like this. And I flip-flopped them. That's what you're going to do here. So if I have 1 plus 5 equals 6, now I need to say what number first? 1 or a 5 this time? One or a 5, boys and girls? So I had 1 plus 5. Now I need to flip-flop it. Now I say, Zayden.
1 plus 1.
Good job. All he did was he just took these two numbers and he went, shoop. So, instead of 1 plus 5, now I'm going to say 5 plus 1. Now, Sophia, did my answer change? Xander, please set that on the floor. Sophia, did my answer change?
No.
No, I still have the same number of cubes. So, this one had a gray cube and 5 dark ones. So now we can do 5 dark ones and a light gray one. It's just the opposite. So with your pencil, yeah, you can just color them.
Teacher.
Exactly. So you should be copying me exactly how I do it with your pencil. No crayons, just a pencil.
Teacher.
So I'm looking around right now, boys. So Jose, are you working ahead or are you coloring these in? Thank you.
I colored these in.
Raise your hand, please. So my answer was 6. Okay. This time I have how many light colored ones, Zayden? 3. And how many dark ones? 1 dark one. So my equation is, everyone with me? 3.
Plus 1 equals 4.
Ooh, I didn't hear everyone. Let's try that again.
3 plus 1 equals 4.
So if I know I'm flip-flopping my numbers, do I already know what my answer is going to be?
Yes.
What's my answer going to be?
3 plus 1 equals 4.
My answer. How many cubes? Oh. How many cubes?
4.
4. So I already know my answer didn't change. But this time if I flip-flop 3 and 1, now I'm going to say,
3 plus 1.
nope, I already said 3 plus 1.
1 plus 3.
Good job. Flip-flop it. So 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 turns into 1 plus 3. Here we go. This time it's, instead of 3 light cubes and 1 dark one, now it's 3 dark cubes and 1 light cube. Do you see that? We just flip-flopped them. That's just like when I took this and went, I still have 4. Do you see that? We have 3 and 1, 1 and 3. All right. Raise your hand if you're all done with this. Elias, together. Nice job. So, the example problem's up here. Kieran, please read me this example problem. Sophia, please read me this example problem.
Six plus 1 equals 7.
Good job. So, Kieran, you weren't by your computer and I had to skip you. That's why we asked you to show respect and stay at your computer screen. So, we have
a lot of
6
stuff around me. I didn't feel comfortable with all
plus
that stuff
1.
around me, so I had to move.
I'm going to color this 1 dark. So, with your pencil, color the last one dark. So, I have 6 white and how many dark?
1.
1. Hand up, let's know you're ready for the next problem. Kaya, you do not have to put your name on the second page, just because it's already on the front page, okay? All right, show me your hand is raised if you're ready for the next one. All right. Zayden, will you read me this problem?
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Good job. So we started with 5, and then we had to add these 2 right here. And all together we have 7. So boys and girls, now I'm going to teach you on here what we do to solve these problems. So there's a missing number here. Do you understand that? There's a missing number. Okay, pencils are down. You shouldn't be working ahead of the teacher. The first number here is how many they're starting with. So let's check and make sure that's true, okay? What number? 4. Are there 4 here? Yep. What number? 3. Are there 3 here? Okay. What number? 2. Are there 2 here to start? That one kind of looks like a smiley face. How many here? 1. And did I have 1 to start? Okay. It does. It looks like a cyclops. All right, show me. You ready? Pencils are up. Thank you. It says use your counters. So we have to draw counters to show how to make 7. Complete the addition sentences. So we start with the number of counters. Pencils are down. Zayden. Or Xander. Sorry. We start with this many counters, the number it gives us, and then we add more until we get to the number 7. Our total here, that's where we want to stop. We don't want to go over 7. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one. Then I'm going to have you do this one with me. Then you guys are going to do these 2 on your own. Friends at home, do you understand? Sophia, Kieran, Alkai, do you understand? Okay.
I already know how to do these.
So remember, we're not racing the teacher because not everyone knows how to do them. So we want to make sure, even if we already know it, it's really important that we don't go ahead of the teacher because you might miss something you didn't know. So 4, I have 4 to start. I need to add something until I get to 7. So am I adding 7? Do I add 7?
Yes.
No, I want to get to 7. So how many do I have to start with? 4. Now watch what I do. 4. Nope, my turn. That's why I said you don't work ahead of the teacher. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, did I draw 7 circles? Right here, did I draw 7?
No.
I didn't draw 7. I only drew 3. So that's the number that goes here. Now I can read my equation. 4 circles plus 3 circles equals 7 circles. So I added 3. I started at the number 4 and I kept going until I got to 7. So let's do this one together. I'm starting with how many?
3.
Kaya, how many do I start with? 3. Now I need to keep counting until I get to 7. Okay, I'm not going to start over. I'm going to keep counting until I get to 7. So I'm going to say 3. Everyone scoop up 3. 3. Everyone scoop up 3. 3. Hold it in your hand. 4, 5. Say it. 6, 7. Did I get to 7?
No.
Did I get to 7?
Yes.
Yeah, watch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to stop. Now, the number I put here isn't 7. It's how many I added. How many did I add, Sophia? 4. Did you hear that? She said 4.
4.
So I put a 4. Sophia, read me the math equation. Oh, listen. Sophia, read me the math equation.
Yeah, let me finish
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Good job. I love your voice today. All right. 3. Problem number 3. How many are we starting with, boys and girls?
2.
2. So scoop up 2 with your hand. Now count on. Ready? I'm at 2. I want to get to 7. Watch what I do. Scoop up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm scooping 2, and I only want to go to 7. So here I go. 2, 3, 4, count with me, 5,
7.
so I have 7 altogether, but this number that I put here is only the number for how many I drew. How many did I draw? I added how many, boys and girls?
5.
5. And I can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I need to make sure that my sentence makes sense. 2 plus 5 equals 7. I see 2. I see 5. We must have 7. All right. Number 4. How many do I start with? 1. So when I start drawing my circles, I don't start with 1 because there's already a 1 here. I go 1, 2, and then make sure you stop when you say 7. Okay, friends at home. Alakai, how many did I add to get to 7? Alakai.
6.
6. Let's see if he was right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He was right. Jose, read me the math equation here. Let's try it again. This is plus. This is equals. Ready? Good job. Okay. All right, first grade. Tomorrow you are doing this last page with Miss Cheatham. Okay, that's all you're doing with Miss Cheatham tomorrow. So before we put this away, I'm gonna see how well you guys remember. Okay. So have 3 black cubes. You shouldn't have a pencil in your hand because we don't have any paper. Thank you. 3 black cubes. And 2 red cubes. I want to know what my equation is going to be reading from left to right. Just like how we read in class left to right in our books, we read our math problems left to right. Elias, your eyes are up here. Thank you. Who can tell me the math equation for this problem? Ooh, I see a hand at home. Do I? Kieran, will you read me the math problem?
Five.
That's the answer. But I need to know what numbers I need.
2.
I start
3
with,
plus 2 is 5.
good job. 3 plus 2. Now, I'm going to flip-flop it. Watch what I do. 2 reds this time, because I'm taking this number first. How many are going to be black?
3.
How do you know, Xander?
Because you are the 3 black cubes.
Because of this part here? Yeah. So just like I flip-flop this, like this, I flip-flop this part too. So now I have 2 red cubes in the front and 3 black. So who is brave enough to tell me the equation now? Remember, we always start over on this side when we're reading. Who's brave enough to tell me the answer now? Liam.
2
So, what number stayed in the same exact spot in both of these problems? What number stayed in the same exact spot? Kaya.
It's
5.
still 5.
It stayed a 5 because we didn't take away any cubes. We just flip-flopped them. So when you guys are doing these problems on your test, and it says 1 plus 2 is, that's easy peasy, 1 plus 2,
3.
what is it, Zayden? 3. And then all of a sudden if they do this to you,
3.
don't let it trick you. It's still 3. It's just the different order. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2. It's still 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. So don't let it trick you, okay?